16 after 10. I'd love to hear a full-blown Swati conversation happening. Oh, I dream of the day. Love the language. It sounds body diggy. The birthday man is walking into the building. The naked DJ, happy birthday. Sumizi is in the building. We've got Anonymous. They're on standby. South Africa, are we ready to ask a man on Naked DJ's birthday? Paying the bills, and we'll be back. It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. Good morning, South Africa. So before we get into Ask a Man officially and speak to Anonymous, I don't know if you want to lead us into song for the Naked DJ. If you can, would really appreciate that from the team, from Metro FM as a whole. Can you lead us into a happy birthday song? Hey, come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Boona. Happy
Nana.
birthday.
No. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Poon. Nana.
Thank you so much. I'm turning your favorite age.
Which is
4-5.
Savama grapes, Santa. Yo, told me.
Yeah, bro.
Now you're my type. Everywhere I go and every time I see you, I see, hey, 4-5. Naked, you made my day. Thank you very much.
No, my parents made your day. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I know my parents are also listening. Love you guys so much.
No.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
That was a good one. Oh my God. 4-5.
Breathe.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, yes, Anonymous. Let's concentrate, please. Because,
All right. Good morning, Anonymous. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you, Kuto?
I'm great, thank you. Are you turning 45 today?
Yes. I want to wish a
Oh.
happy birthday to Naked DJ.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh,
Thank you so
Papa.
much.
Okay, Anonymous, the focus and attention is all on you. I'm going to read the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, Anonymous, and your responsibility is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree to these house rules?
Yes, I agree on that.
All right. We are listening at 25, not 45, past 10. What's happening, Anonymous?
Okay. Then my problem is that I'm in my 35 to 40 years.
Mm-hmm.
And then whenever I go to look for people that I can commit with, you understand? And then I do get them, but then they always have problems regarding to whenever we go to have sex. They say I'm too large for them.
Okay.
But whenever I go out, yeah, they say I'm too large for them.
Too what?
Too large.
Too large in bed. You understand me?
Like isn't big.
Yeah, my D is too much. It's too big for them.
Sorry, Anonymous.
And this thing is a problem to me because it's happening to the ones that I really love.
Anonymous.
And then the problem is that whenever I go out, maybe to have some drinks and get some tips in the bars, they usually enjoy it and they want some more, of which I'm not interested in them. I just want some one night stand to entertain myself, but they enjoy it more than the one that I love.
Interesting.
I don't know what to do now.
Yo, was wrong. Like,
why is that so?
no, he's asking the wrong people because I don't think you would help him because you can't relate.
Sure.
Well,
Wait, I got this.
yeah.
And I don't think I can help him because I will say this needs a one-on-one.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not good.
Well, we are in the presence of greatness, Kuzo Teledi.
You?
So, Kuzo. Tell us, have you ever encountered like a wild beast where you're like, I can't handle this?
On that 4-5 note, Anonymous, I just need to ask, there's a bit of a criteria. Maybe I'm not the only one that goes through this criteria.
Okay.
Number one, Naked, Somizi, help me out, Anonymous. When it comes to when you say extra large or size-wise, it's too big. Is it big in terms of girth or length?
The length.
So it's
So
long.
it's not thick. It's
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, it's not that thick, but it's too long.
it's long. So it hits
Yeah.
it hits the wrong parts.
But now, why
Yonke.
I mean,
That was going to be my next question.
Why do you put it all?
How do you handle it? How do you put it to?
How do I?
How yo put you and I'm trying to go say I'm giving why what are you doing to us? So the thing is sometimes it might not be. I think this is where I really believe Guti. Sometimes it's not about the size. It's about the motion in the ocean.
Come on.
okay.
How you use it.
How you use it.
And compatibility as well.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Do you think you could be rushing into just gaga or you are
No.
you so
I usually take it simple, slow, because I know even myself that's too long, and I don't usually put it on. But whenever we do have sex, some of them, they would hold me my back, then they want it on. If I go out, then they complain again.
Can I
No, no,
ask
no,
you
you can't
something?
come.
Do you prepare
Yes.
the woman?
Yes, I
do you let her
prepare
know
the
that it
woman.
might be of an abnormal size?
Yes,
Or
I
do you
usually
just?
prepare them.
Oh,
but they think you're bluffing. I know most of the time.
100%.
Yeah, when someone says, now before we go to headline, I just want to take this out of the way.
Headlines, no?
Yeah,
Take it out of the way.
yes. I'm gonna keep a long story short. Ne?
That's what she said.
Anonymous.
Hello.
Yes, I just wanna demystify. No, no,
yes.
no.
Yes.
Yes. Demystify. Yes.
What does it mean?
Oh.
Or you wanna debunk, or
No.
as long as there's a D in there.
Destigmatize.
Oh, D.
Oh.
All of them have
Yeah,
Ds,
D's. Which province are you from?
Oh,
Mpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
Come on.
Yes.
When they can. Okay.
Mom.
Ungakhohlwa Mpumalanga kune-pushback ridge.
No, not in Bushbuck. No.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Awuthi titi wena uthi titi.
Anonymous, hold it right there. Hold it.
Okay.
It's not going to be too long now. Hopedi Dulongwe is coming through with the 10:30 news headlines. Let's take it in. It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Anonymous on the line. A bit of a summary before we go back to Anonymous. Anonymous has a large package and it's causing trouble in his love life. The woman he likes never want to continue being in a relationship with him because of their sexual experience with him. However, the woman he meets at bars for fun often just enjoy his large size, but he's not interested in a lot of them. Now, Anonymous wants to know how to deal with this. Anonymous, on a serious note, this is what you are calling to ask advice for.
Yes. And another thing, some of the women, they don't want to go in after I've taken off my clothes. They think, no, I can't handle this. Let's just leave it.
Yeah.
You know,
They
usually
don't want that at
Yeah.
all.
and how do I ask this? It's not really radio land, man. So and you do get you get hard. You don't have erectile issues and don't erection issues.
Hello?
You get hard or you just get mid hard.
It's hard. Even myself, sometimes it's surprising me. It becomes too long. That I'm even surprised by myself.
Yo, you know when your own penis surprises you as the owner. Aye, uphethe umlaga anonymous. Umzababa. Yo.
All right. Advice. What? Yo, this is the first, and this was supposed to be on the self-care corner.
It's fine here, my friend. It's fine here.
Yeah, I'm supposed to break my relationships.
100%.
You
So,
understand?
but before he asks us, the question, so let me get this clear. So, the ones that he gets as a one-night stand at the bar, they enjoy it, but it's one of those where they say, look, this was delicious, but I don't think I'd want a relationship with this guy because he's too large. But then
No, they do want to come back, those ones.
who? Okay. But then it's just
They want to get in the pub, in the club. They do want to come back for more. But then I'm not interested into that. That's the problem.
So all you're interested in is just giving them once. Are you in a committed relationship?
I was, but they complain about it, so I lost them.
Okay.
Okay. And when they complain about it, are they not willing to work around it?
One of them did try to work around it, but then he said, no, I couldn't do it because today it's this size, tomorrow is another size, so you cannot adjust to the size because it's a different size, not the same size.
So your weapon is different sizes. Sometimes it's big, hey bana. Sometimes it's big, sometimes it's bigger.
Yes.
Hey bana.
Yes.
Anonymous.
It's possible.
Hello.
No, man. Anonymous, can I just understand one thing?
Yes.
Please be honest with me. What does intimacy look like with you? I'm trying to understand how a woman can be afraid. How do you introduce intimacy?
Like, it's everything, like, sometimes I start them so that they can get wet, then we keep each other. But when I have to wear a condom, they complain.
Do you have a condom size?
Yes. Max only.
What?
What?
A maximum only.
Maximum.
Maximum, look, extra
Yes.
large. All right.
Yo.
How can we help you, my brother?
And another thing
Yeah.
about the maximum,
Mm.
it's holding me at the back like someone is choking me in my throat.
What?
Like,
Feels like
whenever
it's
someone is
choking
choking you on your throat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I
even
can
the
feel it
maximum
choking me
is not
also.
big
Choking
enough.
you.
Yo.
Yeah, it's not big enough.
Yo.
And when did you start experiencing these problems? Like
At
when?
what age?
At what age was it in?
About 25 years.
So it's been
Since
you've
25.
Since he was 10.
Yeah, since then I didn't have a steady woman.
Wait, since you were 10 years old?
I had
Stable
25
woman.
years.
Okay. Yo. Okay, so means
Okay.
I think you can handle this one.
Oh, naked. I can handle this.
He's
Boom.
asking how to deal with
I
this,
can
guys.
handle this.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, here's what I think you should do, Anonymous. When you find somebody that you're really into, that you really love, and they love you back, ne? But first, you have to, don't rush into sex.
Ah.
Yes.
Why?
I'll tell you why. I'm getting there. When you meet someone and you vibe, emotionally you connect. Any other way you connect, ne?
Mm-hmm.
And you think, okay, this is the one. Now you know what your issue is, right? It's the size. You need to learn their body. You need to learn their mind. Do you understand?
Yes.
Sex is not just about cloth only. It's about connection. It's about compatibility. You understand? Nibe compatible, ni khalelane, kube ne chemistry. Then you understand?
Yeah.
Chemistry leyo. You take it easy on certain things. You know when you can't just go la, right? You check which parts make her. You understand? Which part tickles her fancy? You understand?
Yeah.
Yini into esenza ukuthi awugazime. We understand?
Yeah.
make her orgasm in so many different ways, even with it, but gently rub it there, rub it there. We understand that? Say it after me.
Yeah.
Rub it there. Yabo?
Mm.
And then gently penetrate. We understand?
Yeah.
And then see. You must be aware, be conscious, especially in the beginning phase of the relationship, of how does a certain thing make her feel, how does she look, how does she react. Put mbijana. You understand? Put a quarter. And then now so moves magati, let's go. You don't just go now all you go further. We understand? Lalela naked nyakutshela. And this time I'm speaking as a bottom.
Okay. Okay.
You understand? So what's next? Then you go with the flow, you read the body language, you read the language. You understand?
Yeah.
By the time you guys have it for the third, fourth time, there would be a physical and emotional communication without a verbal. Because Senyazan, I think now you don't give yourself time to read because you are the one that has this huge challenge. Excuse the pun. You understand the putam?
Yeah.
So that's what you do with the one that you really, really, really want to spend the rest of your life with or to spend time with. And then who they think, yeah, this, bring it on. Dada. And now you know, and I'm sure now if you met somebody who's gonna say, bring it on, you're gonna think, a lot of people have been there. And that might turn you off as well. Because sometimes it's nice to have somebody that you can challenge. And they can, you know, but also they can challenge you back because maybe even, I'm saying sometimes, but sometimes maybe you need that partner, ofana now, oti azishe, as lime ze chain, as Kale ones. But the problem with it, then it means your relationship is just going to be about the sex because you are not emotionally.
Because there are some who are like that.
Yes, I know.
One.
You did say. What were you going to say? What do you
No,
think?
but because you had said he should delay the sex thing, man. Now, have you ever been in a relationship with a guy, Somizi, and you fall in love with a person, then
Yeah.
when it gets to the bedroom,
Horrible.
like he has a small penis.
Horrible.
You see what I mean?
I personally
So,
would never do that again.
Do you never feel betrayed and like led on and deceived and stuff
No,
like that?
no. In my case, I was the one who suggested that because I was like,
Suggested what?
let's go on a 90-day rule.
Okay.
Because I just let me try something different. You know, you're the biggest mistake of my life. I
Yeah.
will never do that again.
So then, even with him, imagine somebody falls in love with him and he falls in love with someone, and then the day he decides to undress, then it's him walking around the room on his 3 legs,
Yeah.
and then now she can't. Then it's time wasted. So, Mina, for me, it's anonymous. They need to know from the get-go. You know, you need
That's
to
what I'm thinking.
unleash the dragon.
Inform her before.
Yes, inform her before. Just hold on to that dragon right now. We'll be back, nah? Just ibambe kancane. Ibambe. Yeah, no.
It's 43 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, we still there?
I'm still here.
All right. Naked.
Okay, so this is it's scary. So anonymous, when you say sometimes it's big, but then at times it's even bigger than before. Like when you get these erections, are you okay? Do you not have maybe suffer from headaches or dizziness or anything of that nature?
No, I'm just natural. Only just me. I don't feel anything.
You know, while Naked was busy speaking, I was even thinking it's not buloy. It's not witchcraft here, right? Like it's
It's possible.
Because I also thought so.
No, it's not. You were born like this.
I was born like this.
Okay, but you know, I think you have just normal problems of any man would have, and I don't know how women go about choosing partners or sexual compatibility, but some don't like it too big, some don't like it too small, and because remember also I think the vaginal cavity as well is the vaginal cavities are not all the same size. You get what I mean? Some people are smaller than others where they can't even take a normal guy. Therefore, anything which is even normal hurts them. So, Anonymous, I think you just have to be patient out there. And you said you've experienced this since is it for 25 years or since you were...
Years.
For 25 years. How old are you now?
And now I'm 37 years.
Okay.
I have a very. There's a question that I try to avoid, Naked.
Okay.
I try to
I can
avoid.
see you burning to ask, but it's fine.
I'm apologize.
Okay, it's okay. You can ask. Go ahead.
Anonymous,
Hello.
out of frustration, maybe, I'm not sure, but so are you 100% straight?
Yes, I'm straight.
Have you engaged with a guy before for curiosity?
There was one, but then he also complained about it.
Yo, naihlula madoda lento yakho.
I don't know now.
Okay.
Because I was also going to say maybe doggy nyana.
Ay, good so.
But I'm asking, is it not a valid...
Okay. My thing is,
Because-
I think
Because
Anonymous...
I wanted to experience it also on the guy.
Yes.
Because they were also proposing me, because they're hearing stories from others.
Mm,
So they wanted to experience.
mm. So,
And I also wanted to do the same.
yeah, you know, my biggest concern, Anonymous, is I think we're caring too much about people that haven't called in to say, hey, there's a guy, he has a big one. We need to care about, because you are here to talk about your life, and we need to make sure that you are satisfied as well as a person. So are you ever satisfied? Do you ever get satisfied during the deed?
I usually get satisfied by the ones that I get in the tavern and the bar, and which means I don't love them.
Or like I'm a one-night stand
Yes.
from the clubs.
I'm a one-night stand, yeah, they usually explain me.
Okay, so this is when people are drunk and they're looking for one night stands. And this is also where these are the ones that satisfy you. Like people that have had a little bit of alcohol and are willing to do whatever it takes.
Then around some few times they call me, can you do it again? Like, and
Okay.
by that time I'm not drunk.
So have you, okay, so that time you are not drunk. Okay. Now, I also know as a machita, there's guys that prefer to have intercourse while they are on something. And I'm talking alcohol. I'm not talking about things like impesu or Viagra or honey goat weed or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Your penis size, when you've had, what's your drink of choice?
Black label.
Yo, yo, usually it's like spirits. So when you have black, now shy black, then do you become bigger or do you last longer in bed?
I last longer in bed, maybe 1 hour 30 or 2 hours.
Wait,
Hi,
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Wait.
Anonymous.
Yes.
Ufuna ukubulala abantwana babantu. Anonymous.
Nabafana
hayi.
babantu. Get a blow up doll. Angeke. Get a blow up doll.
But now we're Anonymous, knowing that you're working with a weapon of mass destruction, why do you even enhance it by a weapon of choice, as in a drink?
No, because I enjoy it. In the morning, it doesn't give me problem.
Okay.
Him-
Like any
Yeah,
normal
it's
man.
fine,
Any healthy man should be getting morning erections.
yes, I usually get morning erection.
Okay, so then what happens to your erections in the afternoon or at night?
I just masturbate because there's no one who's handling me.
That's sad, man.
Have you tried, lastly, have you tried women from outside South Africa?
I'm having one now, but we haven't gone to bed yet. So that's why I'm calling you.
Try
to
that.
ask whether should I tell her?
That's my best
or-
advice. That's my best advice. Try that. Because, you know, as you go up in Africa, we are the bottom of the food chain,
Okay.
phonetically.
But the problem is one now, ne?
In,
He was supposed to come this last weekend,
yeah.
but then I postponed because I was afraid.
Okay, now I'm
When
advising you.
When Somizi,
Yes.
don't disrespect South African
Yo,
men.
No.
I know what you're about to say.
No.
Guys, Somizi.
Panisically, we are at the bottom of the
I've
chain.
never heard
So
of
are
such.
you saying South African men are lacking, Somizi?
No, they're not
Uthini?
lacking. They are the smallest. It's like the smallest of the biggest.
Smallest in Africa.
Africa
So if
No,
Benin
no,
Africa
no.
Cup of Nations, where would we rank?
never make it to the top 10.
Okay, would we even not even a bronze medal?
Top 10, we got to number 11, we got to
Okay,
bronze.
yeah. So
Sure.
who's the highest? Congo.
Congo,
And
Ghana,
then,
Nigeria, Niger.
And this is women and men
No, I'm talking about
in terms
men.
of. Okay.
Because
Yes.
if Somizi is saying men, it would mean the women in those countries are
Can
able
handle
That's
it.
what
It's
I'm
natural.
saying.
something bigger.
It's
That's what I'm
natural
saying.
to them.
Okay.
That's what I'm
Oh.
saying.
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So we are the smallest of the biggest in the world.
Okay, so Anonymous, this woman that you're about to engage with next week, which country is she from?
Zimbabwe.
Alala.
Yeah.
They are in the top 10.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. So good luck, Putwami, and then call us back in 3 months
Please.
and tell us how did
No,
it
he's
go.
coming this coming weekend, so I'll call you around Monday or
Okay.
Yeah, Monday,
Please,
Tuesday.
Monday,
We'll be right here.
Monday.
Yeah.
Please, Puti.
yes, with the feedback.
All
Yeah.
right. Good luck, ne?
Thank you.
Shapus.
That's up.
Hey.
Yabo?
What advice do you have for Anonymous? 086,000 2160. It's Nicki Minaj, Anaconda. 7 minutes until we hit the top of the hour. 7 minutes for you to perhaps maybe share what you think he could take in a lot better than maybe the Jensen studio. All right, taking a listen to your voice note, 060 552 7303.
Yeah, you guys, this was fantastic. Indian Bulela, Indian Bonk, you've made my day. Hi, when Anonymous usile when I was asked before London. Can't see again. Uzos Kaisela, in fact. Uzos challenge good to when we well and down. Bye bye.
All right, heading on over to the phone lines. Let's speak to Mpho. Mpho, good morning.
Good morning, Kutsal.
Good, thanks. How are you? Hey.
I'm good, thanks for yourself,
Good,
Kutsal.
good. Thank you. Talk to us.
Okay, actually, I was actually going to think this is my ex, but the ex is not the same. I was also in a similar situation where I was dating this guy, and he was also from Mpumalanga, but he was just a Swati guy. And the guy had a huge thing. Like, it was my first time that I'm seeing such a thing. But the thing is, because I liked him, because there was nothing, because I really liked him. But we would try different techniques. We would try loop, but it would still be very painful. To the extent that I would even tear down there. And we went to a gynae because now it was becoming a problem in the relationship. And otherwise, the gynecologist actually said is we should continue trying loop, and I should try to relax because now I know how big it is. The moment we're about to do it, I would now, so it would be painful. So I once asked him, am I the first girl that who's complaining about this, or it has happened before? And he'd always say, no, you're not the first girl. I always get girls would complain about this.
Can I
But
ask
it
you
was-
something? Paul? What were the other options you could have tried? Whether it is apart from him going in, other things that you could have used.
Like, there was nothing, because even if I do try to go down on him, it is so big, you won't even be, like, you can't really carry that much with your mouth,
I see.
but you could try.
I see.
I'm sorry.
But
Sure. Sorry that you'd even tear. You're anonymous.
And I'm sorry for
Mpho.
he made a cough. Like, now, Khotlela.
No.
He's starting again.
Hey, wena.
Mpho Askies. Let's head on over to David. David, good morning. How are you?
Morning, Kuto and the team. I do believe that a lot of the things that the Naked DJ said was right, especially around the part where he's going after people who are in the bar. Like, if you find people in the bar, they're mostly drunk, they're mostly intoxicated. I've had experience with the fact that a lot of women do like experimenting. So when they do get him in the bar and they do enjoy and they want to go back, obviously they want to get drunk again. But the thought of them actually going there sober and getting into it sober. I don't think they'd be able to handle that. But then another point I think might be a problem here was the team didn't ask how about the intensity of what he's doing, because sometimes people go gentle, some people go rough.
I did
So
ask.
that might be a problem there.
Yeah, I did ask that.
Yeah.
that. Maybe
Yeah,
I missed
so
it.
different men, different strokes. Again, excuse the pun. But yeah, that might be a problem.
All right, David, thank you very much. Let's head on over to Tobile. Good morning, Tobile. How are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
Good, thank you.
Oh, yes. I'm listening with my white colleagues. She says Anonymous must try a white ladies. Because we black people, we are sissies. White ladies would love to have it.
White ladies.
So she's
Yes,
with her
that's what
colleagues,
she
her
said.
white colleagues, and the white colleagues are saying that he should try a white lady because us black women are sissies.
Yes,
So
that's what she said.
your female, is it female colleagues? Female white
Yes,
women?
yes, it's a female.
Okay. Interesting.
Okay, thank you.
So, Kutsa, is it true? Black women near Isaba. You're afraid.
No,
Is it true, Kutsa?
no. Can I tell you something? Siyayifuna. Can we leave it here, guys?
Yeah, shame.
But
Yeah,
before you end it,
Yeah.
I mentioned this off air to you guys that a lot of gentlemen are saying probably Anonymous has a tree that was planted when he was born. He should cut it down. This one is from Umpile K. Many people are saying
not
that.
everyone has a tree. I think most of the time, sometimes it comes from guys who are trying to console themselves with the reason why they're not that big is because they don't have a tree. No, it's like when someone is super rich, they think utwele. Not everyone or rich utwele. So there are guys that are naturally like that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was about to say with shame, it's sad. It's a sad problem because you really struggle, and sometimes when you've decided no, I don't want to take it anymore, and then they're sitting there in the corner alone, you feel bad for them. They're like, what must I do with it? So
I get you. But, I'm just glad that you guys have now had a door open and you see what a lot of us guys from Mpumalanga go through.
Oh gosh.
So, but we can leave it here. Just don't trip over it.
now it makes sense. You see, that caller was right.
Can I ask?
Abokutsu amasisis.
Never.
That's why Naked went that way.
Never. Can I just ask, Naked DJ, since we are there, is this a nice life problem or not?
No. It's not a nice life problem, because imagine he said he actually has to masturbate because nobody's willing to be with him. So it's not a nice life problem. I know we can laugh about it, but it's not. When you can't get a partner because you are working with 3 legs, it's really terrible. But I guess, he has to look, and eventually I think he will find somebody that is compatible. A lot of people settle. There's actually a book that talks about different shapes and sizes of the penises and different shapes and sizes of the vagina as well. So, guys, we know that compatibility is everything. But he's just abnormal, but he will eventually find somebody that can handle it.
I better that problem than nothing at all.
Yeah, you imagine.
Imagine, Jomi.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh.